Hi, I'm Dr. Bonnie Jewell. I'm a dedicated practitioner of holistic medicine. My journey into this field was ignited by my personal triumph over significant health challenges. Through this platform, my goal is to offer you a fresh perspective on health and well-being. My mission is to empower you, enabling you to embrace natural, sustainable strategies that will benefit you now and throughout your lifetime. On this channel, you'll gain a profound love and appreciation for the remarkable wisdom and resilience of your body and learn how to add more vibrant years to your life. And as you take action and implement, you'll essentially become your own health hero, just like I did. If you value your health and well-being, I highly recommend you hit subscribe below to stay updated with our upcoming videos. They hold the potential to make a significant difference in your overall quality of life, to not only live longer, but to enjoy vibrant health throughout your life. I look forward to connecting with you in our next video.